Hi there everyone, welcome to another video. It's been quite some time since I posted anything interesting. Many of you have probably wondered what's happened to nzbeeker. Well, I'm still here, and there are reasons why I haven't posted anything for so long, and we can get into that in other videos. But I have a new project of a 1998 CBR1000f. Now, as I say this, 1998, many of you who know about this sort of stuff will be looking at some things and go, hang on a minute, because the tank, the colours and the decals are from a 1993. The frame protector is off a 1993, and the front guard there is off a 1993. Under the seat, the label on the frame confirms it's a 1998 New Zealand New, which is 1997 out of Honda, and the registration details confirm it's a 98 New Zealand New and it's red, and Car Jam confirms it's 1998 New Zealand New and it's red. The label on the frame here under the seat confirms the color code and it is red. So before I bought the bike, I asked the previous owner if it's been in any accidents, and he said no, not to his knowledge. And yeah, I'm sure as long as he's had it, no, it hasn't been an accident. But as you can see here, it's been repainted a grey primer. It's got a tank from a 93. It's got frame protectors from a 93, and around this side the front guard is off a 93, but also here on the stator cover it looks scuffed, and it looks like there may have been a crack in there at some point. There is a crack there. I'm going to resin that up, fix that up. So what I'm going to do now is strip all the fairing off. That's all going to go onto this pallet, and we're going to repaint it back in its original colours and put it back to how it's supposed to be. So stay tuned. We've got a hoist here. We're going to put it up here, and it's going to park on here for quite some time while we strip all the fairing off and get it all prepped for a repaint. So thank you for joining me, and there's going to be subsequent videos after this one, and we can get into more bits and pieces about why I haven't been recording and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you for joining me and watching this journey, and we'll see how this one works out. Thank you.